Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and I want to share with you as well and see what's inside this fun box. And it is for your creative studio, and I think it is their May subscription monthly box. And they have a lot of fun stuff inside. So if you are into junk journaling or creating your crafts with a vintage style theme, this is a great sort of a goodie box for you, where you can use all of their fun stuff to create all of your pieces for your junk journaling theme projects. I will also put the link down below to your creative studio website if you are interested in subscribing to their monthly boxes. And they have a ton of stuff inside, and I want to have a look inside this box and show you what is inside. I haven't seen what's inside the box, but I've just covered up my address here, and so we're going to have a look inside. And I've done previous unboxing for some of their other monthly boxes, and it's in my other previous videos. You can have a look at their other boxes just to give you an idea of what you may get. So for this month here, you'll get like a thank you card inside the box, and usually it gives you an idea of what the theme of what's inside the box might be. And so this one has a bird on the card, so I would think this is something to do with birds and butterflies perhaps. But let's have a look and see what's inside, because I really get excited to see what stuff there are for that month. Or so I'm hoping they still have this available for you. I know we're a few months ahead of May now. I think we're in September now, but she may still have some of this one in stock. And this first one, let me just take it all out of the box. I think I'll just leave it in the box for now. But in this box, there is a pack of lovely postage stamps. And you get a nice packaging as well. And you can reuse the backing card as well if you wanted to in your journaling. And look at this, there are a ton of faux postage stamps, and these look like they're all butterfly themed. And these are stickers, so you can just peel these off and then adhere it to your pages, or if you're doing collaging or tags, you can just peel them off and adhere it easily. So look at that, there is quite a few of these in here, and they're all pretty butterflies. So you can see there's quite a few. Just lovely to work with, and you can never have enough of these postage stamps if you are into junk journaling. And you can usually get a pack of ephemeras inside the box as well, and these ones look like some really pretty birds. So if you love birds and all of these beautiful beautiful creatures, look at these. These are just so pretty. These are stickers as well, I think. Looks like they're stickers. You just peel the back off, and then they just should easily peel off. Yeah, so just peel off quite easily. It's beautiful paper as well. It's a really lovely paper. It's a cute little bird. So you can see there is a whole heap of these. There's some roses or some flowers, and they're a good size. They're all different sizes. Some birds. Cute. If you're new to my channel and you hear a strange background noise, it's my little Maltese. His name is Jester, but I call him Boo Boo. And he's just right beside me, and he's snoring. Some more. Oh, they're just beautiful. It'll definitely work well with your vintage style theme projects. So there's a whole heap of this, and they'll be great to distress with your inks as well. So again, there's a bunch of these inside the pack. It's really pretty, beautiful. Let me just take it all out of the box. It's easier. Sorry about all the crinkling noise. Make it easier this way. Oh, this looks nice. I wonder what this is. Looks like a notepad. Oh, okay. Oh, these are great. These are great for collaging your pages, and you can layer them and add like some your postage stamp onto the top like that, and you can keep adding more layering. And this looks like it's already been stamped, and there are perforated lines here, so you could tear them off. Oh, how cute is that? I've not seen something like this. I love the images, and I think they're all the same throughout the booklet. So look how many you get. You get a whole heap of these, and these would be great for Happy Mail if you want to make a few of these and gift a few to some pen pal or add it to your snail mail, and just flips really easily. How clever, how cute. And you can even just layer these on top. Let me try one. I might take one out. Let's see how we go with one of these. So you can just grab one of these. I'm going to pick out one of these stamps. Let's pick this one. So you can like layer that on the front. Grab one of these. And you can layer that on that side. Maybe I'll go on this side. So you could do that, and you can keep adding more of your bits and pieces to continue layering. How clever is that? It's just so cute. I like this. Very nice. I love this booklet. Yes, I like that. And then there is some, looks like these are 3x3 papers, maybe. I'll just come away so it's not too noisy. I'll come back here. These are really nice, lovely soft papers. It's got that vintage feel to it. They're like a lot of script writing. Look at that, so many in here. Heaps. You can just make a collage, a complete collage with just using what you have here already. Aren't these just nice? These would be perfect for your junk journal pages. Love these as well. See, so you could, so we can even do this. You can grab one of these, and then you can add that on here. You could even tear it. So you can tear this. And add it there. And then grab one of these stickers. I won't peel it off. And then you can stick that there. And layer this on the top here. And then you can just add this onto your journal page. You could even make this into a little tuck spot if you wanted to as well, and just glue up here and along there, and then there's a little tuck spot. So that's great. I like the sizes. So there are different sizes in here. I thought they were all 3x3. But so there's a few of these inside the pack. Gonna have heaps of fun with those. So that's to go there. There are also clear stamps. You get some stamps in the boxes as well. Let's see how you open this. These are like, all birds and some plants, flowers, different sizes. Great if you love stamping. You can stamp these as well onto your journal pages or onto your tags. It's great. Heaps of different stamps. So that's in the box. Wow, there's great stuff in this one. I think this is a great box to get you started if you are new to working with this sort of theme style papers and colours. You'll be able to use most of this in your projects too. Because look at this, there's a whole bunch of these in here too. These are just some more, what are these? It's not in English, but just some random paper packs, papers in a pack. Some maps in there. These ones are in here as well. There's a whole heap of this. There's so much inside. There's a lot of these. Wow. And I think these are also stickers. I think some of these are stickers and some are just made from cardstock. Some tags. It's just lovely. Look at these. You can distress the edges too, so you can cover the white bit if you wanted to do that. Some larger size paper prints. Great, these are great. So that's another pack of papers. There is also a craft cardstock pillow box in there, which is you just assemble it to create like a pillow box. And usually there is also a washi tape inside the pack. And definitely want to have a washi tape when you're using some in your junk journals. Oh wow, this is pretty. Wow, oh, I love this. Let's have a look. Let's see, it's easy to peel off. It's lovely. They've got some beautiful printed butterflies, and there is a bird as well. Quite a lot in there as well. So there's a nice pretty washi tape in there. Some more ephemera pieces. These are note bar stickers. They're like label stickers. Look at this, you get heaps of these as well. I love these. These are just great as to finish off some of your collaging. If you want to fill up a little gap, you could just add this to that spot and cover that up. So very vintage. And even one of these, you could add one of these as well to your collage piece, like the one that I just had done. I should have kept the paper, and then you can add that to the front there as well, and just tear that little piece off. I like these too. These are nice. So there, you get those in the pack. This is cute. Oh, these are like ticker strip or coupon strip. Are you okay with it? 1 second. You okay? All right. It's okay. So there he is. Yeah, they're like ticker strips they're all the same. So they're all the same as the one in the front. Get a ton of those. So we get one of those in there. And this is, looks like another paper ephemera pack or a notebook. It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, it's like a, yes, oh, wow, look at these, pretty. Very vibrant, the colours. I like this. I like this one too. I like this. This is pretty. Quite a few. Oh, this is a very beautiful little paper pack. I love this. What do you think of this paper pack? Do you like the colours in here as well? Wow, that's nice. I just love paper. Any kind of papers, I just love them all. Sometimes I just like looking at them. Yes, this is really, really a lovely, lovely little paper pack. So cute. Nice and small. So there's a bunch of those in there. There is a little pack of clear stickers of the same image. So they just peel off and it's like a clear. So it's nice and clear. And 6x6, I think this is like, not so much tissue paper or rice paper, but it's just very thin, fine paper, which is great for tearing. And oh, Jester, shh. Okay, he's getting arrested. So I'm nearly finished. I'm so sorry. Let's just. Okay, so you get 4. You get 1, 2, 3. I think you get 6 of these. So you can. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, I'm really sorry. I've just got to carry him while I finish off this last little piece. So these are some rice or like tissue paper with a bird image. So you get 6 of those. So these are 6x6 size. So these are all of the fun stuff that you will get in your Creative Studio box for the month of May. I do like this box. I think this would be a great great pieces in here to work with, and I hope you do enjoy this unboxing of this video. Again, I'll put all the links down below for your Creative Studio as well as their Instagram, so you can also have a look at their Instagram and look at some of their projects and other goodies from their other boxes. Sorry about this tail. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.